Hey everybody, Premier Box Breaks here. I'm going to bust a pack of Bowman Sterling 2008. Hobby only. The gold pack. Alright, we'll go from the back. That's from the Falcons. This is Reflection Thomas DeCloud. Next card is rookie card Eagles Brian Smith Refractor. Oh, I'm way out. The next card is Reggie Wayne jersey, number 2/389. Nice looking card. The next one is a Matt Ryan jersey. That's pretty sweet. Number 309. Still counting 309. And this is a redemption card. Matt Flynn, certified base rookie auto of Matt Flynn from 2008 Bowman Sterling. All right, good old redemption card. Well, that wasn't too bad. I mean, there was a couple good decowed. I don't even sure how to say that. Eagles Smith, Brian Smith refractor. Yeah, refractor. Number 2/199. Reggie Wayne jersey, and a Matt Ryan jersey. Number 309, and the auto was Matt.